Alright y'all, you read the title, so we're just gonna jump right in. This is what I'm working with. A hot mess, super tangled, dry, just crusty looking hair, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I have not been taking the best care of my hair. It has been getting super tangled and I've just been getting so many single strand knots. It is crazy. But this is the dye we're using. This is the Dark and Lovely in the color Berry Burgundy 326. I went ahead and parted my hair into 4 sections, and I'm just going to start with this back section. I told y'all my hair was tangled, so please do not come for me. But of course, I just followed the instructions in the box about like mixing the color together. That part is super easy. Didn't need to go into detail about it. And I'm just starting to apply the dye to my hair. As you can see, I didn't really put it all the way from my root to my ends. I just kind of put it mostly on my ends, on the part of my hair that already had color. I probably should have put the color on my roots first and then went back and put it on my ends, just because my roots are my natural hair color and my ends were already processed, so they were going to take to the color easier. But you know, you live and you learn. Since my hair is tangled, I am spending like a good amount of time just making sure the product is all the way worked through. I don't want it to be patchy looking. Like, I want it to look like I actually put some sort of effort into dyeing my hair. So I don't want to rush through this, and I didn't take the time to detangle my hair prior to applying the product, which I probably should have. So there you go, lesson number 2, detangle first. But this part is pretty repetitive. Like, I'm just taking small sections of my hair, putting some product on it or putting some dye on it, rubbing it through, making sure my hair is covered, and then moving on to the next piece of hair. You guys are gonna see, like, as I apply the dye, that like the actual bottle gets more and more red. The package says not to let it sit, but I don't know, I kind of feel like if you let it sit, you'll get the best color payoff. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Once I put the product all over my hair, I did go back and just like make sure my roots were covered as well, just because halfway through I decided that I wanted my roots to be covered, which makes no sense, but you know, here we are. Once I had the dye on all of my hair, it probably was about a good 20 minutes. Then I went ahead and put my hair in 4 sections again so that I can put it in aluminum foil, just to make sure that like the color was really processing, and I kept that in for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what my hair is looking like. To me, it didn't really seem like it processed any more than it was processing without the aluminum foil, so I kind of wasted my aluminum foil, but that's neither here nor there. I'm going to go ahead, jump in the shower, wash my hair, and style my hair, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is what my hair ended up looking like after styling it. I'm not gonna lie, this color is not what I wanted at all. I'm definitely gonna have to dye it again. It's getting there, but it's not exactly what I wanted. Honestly, I don't think I wanted burgundy. Now that I've like put the color in my hair, I feel like I wanted more of like a dark purple, which I don't know how I ended up with this if I wanted a dark purple. This to me doesn't really look too much different than the color that I originally had in my hair. I will say that I remember why I don't usually go for like reds or anything like that, because I feel like every time I wash my hair, I see like red stuff coming out of my hair, and it's like I'm pretty sure I washed all of the dye out. So this is actually after me washing my hair 2 times. Of course, I washed my hair after the color finished processing. I styled it, which really I just put one product in it and called it a day. The next day, I got around to trimming my ends, which you guys are gonna see in a different video, but it just felt so gross. So I had to go back in, wash my hair again, and then restyled it, and this is finally what I ended up with. Again, even though I washed it that first time and like got all the dye out, when I washed it the second time, I did still see like a little bit of red color in the water. So yeah, definitely not a fan of that. That being said, since my hair is this color now, I feel like I'm just gonna stick with the burgundy for a while. I'm gonna wait a couple weeks and then just recolor my hair again. I also want my roots to get a little bit more color, which is usually hard because my roots have grown out. They're like my natural hair color, so they're not gonna take as well to the burgundy as my ends did, since my ends already had color in it. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are we feeling it? Are we not feeling it? I definitely like it for fall. I mean, the color's not horrible, it's just not drastically different from what I had. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Check out another one while you're here, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.